Good morning and welcome to IMS 2023. I'm Scott Harris with Vanguard. We are now part of the INRCORE family of brands, and we're very excited to be exhibiting for our second year here. So we're here with our sister company Gowanda and TTE Filters, of course Vanguard Electronics, and INRCORE itself. So we're focusing on RF products, especially some new products that we've developed over the past year and are launching at the show. So first and foremost is the conical inductors, which you can see here, operate frequencies out to 40 gigahertz. We offer a catalog offering as well as custom and customized versions of this. This is available in surface mount and through hole. And so you can kind of see some of the case sizes here, where you can see some of the smaller parts inside here, so they can be micro miniature, or they could be fairly large like what you see here. So those are the higher frequency side of things. And then to complement that, we have chip inductors like you see here, in anywhere from an 0402. These are a little bit larger than an 0402, so these are like 0805 size. But we do 0402, 0603, 0805, all the way through about a 3640, which is about the size of your thumbnail. So these are available for military applications, space applications, as well as commercial applications. And we do custom parts, we do customized parts, we do build-to-print parts. We also do medical. So if you're into medical applications, we can do medical implantable. And then to further complement that, the Vanguard side of the house has some larger chip inductors, which you can see on here. These are the larger chip inductors. And then we also offer wideband transformers. And so these wideband transformers, also called balins, are being used in applications typically to marry up to a DAC or an ADC, so that as you start to see customers requiring more bandwidth, more data, faster data, that all translates into you need a buffer in between your DAC and your sensor or your device you're taking information from. So that's where these types of parts come into play. We've expanded our offering to the UWB and the XWB. So the UWB is an ultra wideband balun, and the XWB is an extended wideband balun. These now go out to 3 gigahertz. And we're working on higher frequencies as we speak. So one of the most popular applications we've seen so far is in avionics, where they're trying to make slight adjustments on tails and fins to allow the object to be very, very precise in its location. And or if it's a jet or even like an ion thruster in space, they're making very, very slight adjustments to the exhaust port to allow that vehicle to transport through space and be very, very co-located. It's kind of an exciting time to be around. We got more products coming. We encourage people to drop onto our website. We're all sister families and we're linked together. So you can drop onto Gowanda, Vanguard, INRCORE, or even the TTE Filters, and we can go from there. And the TTE Filters, actually, that I didn't talk about too much, but they offer the bolt-in, solder-in style filters for EMI protection, as well as microwave cavities that we can do custom designs for and things like that, some passive filters. Vanguard has come out with a brand new series of EMI filters designed exclusively for high reliability and rugged applications. So they're called the RF beads, and they're for EMI suppression. They're offered in 0603, 0402, 0805 and 1206 case sizes, as well as custom versions of those. So to tie all these types of products together, you need something to be able to communicate back together. And that's where these signaling chips come into place, where we can do 1553, 21038, 10G, 100G, things along those lines. But we got a host of new products. We got a lot of exciting things coming up. Drop in on the web, INRCORE.com. It's INRCORE, or look us up on LinkedIn. So thank you.